Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Minecraft error code D-0020. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users open Minecraft and find that they can't access the marketplace, change skins, use add-ons or texture packs, or even access realms. According to our research, the error may be caused by internet issues, an outdated game version, router firewall filters, or a possible outage. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your internet along with the device. Simply turn off your device and unplug the router. Then wait for a few minutes, then plug the router back in and turn on your device. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update Minecraft. Simply go to the game settings or store and see if there is any pending update. If there is, install it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then check your router settings and see if any filters are activated. Especially look for the Torito filter. If it is enabled, try disabling it. As per the user's reports, this filter can block Minecraft connections, resulting in this error. If the error still continues, then try connecting over a different network. If you are on Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile hotspot or another network and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then it could be due to a possible outage. In this case, wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.